What affects the cost of a new roof in Tampa? In Tampa, roof replacement costs can vary widely, and it's more than just your roof's size. Materials, roof design, tear-offs, and Florida's building codes all affect the price. At Affordable Roofing Systems, where experience and quality matter, we help you understand the key factors behind roof costs so you can make smart, confident decisions. Roofing material. The type of roofing material you choose has a major impact on the total cost of a new roof in Tampa. Asphalt shingles are the most affordable, but they offer a shorter lifespan. Metal, tile, and slate cost more, but stand up better to Florida's heat, rain, and wind. Flat or low-slope homes often use bitumen or EPDM for a more budget-friendly, weather-resistant option. Roof complexity. Roof complexity is another major factor in roof replacement costs. If your roof has skylights, chimneys, dormers, or steep pitches, expect higher labor and material costs. Simple roof lines are quicker and more affordable to work on, while complex shapes require more time, skill, and careful installation. Tear-off or overlay. Whether your project requires a tear-off or an overlay will affect the total price. Tearing off an old roof adds labor and disposal fees, but is often necessary when there's water damage or rot. While overlays can save money, they may not meet Florida codes and can hide problems underneath. Florida Building Code. Many homeowners overlook how Florida's strict building codes can impact roof replacement costs. Hurricane protection requires specialized fasteners, waterproof underlayment, and proper ventilation, all adding to the budget. A licensed Tampa contractor ensures your roof meets code, stays compliant, and stands up to Florida's harsh storms and heavy rain. Labor and insurance considerations. Labor and insurance are key cost factors that many homeowners overlook. Roof replacement is highly skilled work, and if your roof was storm damaged, insurance might help with costs. Experienced contractors can help document damage properly and guide you through the claims process while ensuring code-compliant repairs. At Affordable Roofing Systems, we give Tampa homeowners honest answers and upfront pricing. No surprises. Call 813-542-8462 or visit affordableroofingflorida.com to schedule your free roof estimate today. Affordable Roofing Systems, where experience and quality matter.